Hello, greetings from UCAP 2026. We're in Dublin here, and as you can see in the booth of TICRA. So I'm Nelson Fonseca, Chief Innovation Officer at Anywaves.
And I'm Andreas Ericsson, the product lead of Qupes at TICRA.
And I'm Maxime Romier at Anywaves, frequency expert.
So as you can imagine, having Anywaves and TICRA talking together, we're obviously talking about Reflectarrays. As you know, last year we announced the fact that we were the first commercial company to deploy a Reflectarray in orbit. We were quite happy with that achievement. That's something, of course, we continue working a lot on, and it's something that is very important for us. It's something, of course, that has a lot of history, and Maxime is going to walk you through it a bit.
Yes, very quickly, just to say that Reflectarray is not a novel concept. It was first published in 1963, but from ground to space there have been major steps, and we can mention, of course, 𝗃𝗶𝗶𝗃 achievements in 2017 with 𝘃𝗵𝗿 and then 𝗃𝗶𝗶𝗃. And also along the way, TICRA has been doing a lot of good work and modeling with if you can tell us about that.
Yes, of course, yeah. So in parallel with the work that 𝗃𝗶𝗃 has carried out, TICRA and the European Space Agency have been working together for over 15 years on different missions where we have improved the modeling capabilities of Reflectarrays. The strategic goal has been to develop advanced, flexible and cost-efficient solutions for specific missions.
At Anywaves, we were quite happy to get also a lot of support from CNES, both technical and financial support that helped us to increase the TRL of that technology. So we had some R&D activities that helped us to reach some demonstration levels that helped us to, let's say, address all the critical aspects of the technology that potentially helped us also to answer to this commercial opportunity that I mentioned earlier. And Maxime can give you a bit more details about our technology.
Yes, I would say what was really important to us was to have a technology that was industrial and meeting new space standards, and it has to address all the aspects from RF performance to mechanical behavior, thermal behavior, deployment capability, and so it led us to develop, I would say, quite novel panel technology, and that we have developed, and that has a lot of potential.
Patent pending.
Patent pending, yeah, you're right. And but I would say that regarding RF performance, there is maybe some room for improvement, and that's where I think tools like Qupes can come in.
Yes, and throughout the years in the missions that we worked on with the European Space Agency, we developed functionalities in Qupes for designing polarization converting reflectarrays, contour beam reflectarrays, deployable curved reflectarrays and multi-beam systems. So we definitely have a lot of capabilities that can be useful for next generation systems. And one of the main strengths of Qupes is its optimization capabilities, that you can optimize reflectarray design with up to hundreds of thousands of variables in a number of seconds. So it's very well tailored to these more advanced application cases.
It's the convergence of two very important aspects, software and hardware, because in our case, in fact, there's also a very big trend towards, let's say, more diversity in terms of requirements. So we do see very large reflectarrays as well, sometimes up to 2 meters. That's quite challenging in terms of modeling, and that's why we're very happy to be using tools that are extremely efficient for not only the analysis, but also the synthesis, the optimization of the layouts. Because of course, in the first designs we did, we were able to do some kind of in-house coding using a bit geometrical considerations, but now this is getting quite difficult. We're also considering some improvements on our technology, evolution of the unit cells. So all of that, if we can do it in a very efficient way with proper tools, it's definitely a great thing for us. And we just want to continue with that traction of the in-orbit demonstration. So we're definitely happy, both from a software side, from a hardware side, to answer to any request that you may have. Just feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be happy to discuss that with you.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.